Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera and Kate becoming across this channel for the first time. You're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and click on the bell notification so that you will always get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section and share the video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to support your girl. Okay, I do not take your love for granted. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious oha soup. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? And share the video. So guys, let's get started. So these are the ingredients I used to prepare this soup. I have my beef. I'm using beef. I have my uziza leaf. This is not optional, okay? Add it. And this is what uziza leaf looks like. And here is the star of the day. That's my oha leaf. I have my pomo here. I've already washed and cleaned my pomo. And here I have my ogiri, that's fermented locust beans. See, the smell of this thing will not let you come close to it, but this is what takes your soup from level 1 to level 100. So add it, okay? If you can stand the smell, add it. The smell is, will I say, terrible, but then it tastes so nice in soup. You won't even get to taste it anymore once it enters your soup. So if you can stand the smell, I would recommend that you add it, okay? And here is my pepper. I have yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper. I have my crayfish and my dried fish. I'm going to be soaking this dried fish in hot water for about 3 minutes and then I'll wash and debone it. So now guys, we'll start by cooking our meat. I've already started cooking my meat. My meat was frozen, so I just cooked it. I didn't stir it. I'm now back to properly stir everything. I'm going to cover this pot and I'll allow the meat to cook. Okay, and while the meat is cooking, we'll be preparing our oha leaf. And guys, this is how to pick your oha leaf. You don't use knife to cut the leaf, you use your hand to pick it out from the stem and then you just tear it with your hand, just like I'm doing. I don't know if you are seeing this. Just pick it out from the stem and then you cut it just like this. You don't use knife to cut your oha leaf, just like this, like so. So now I'm going to do the remaining one off camera. And guys, our meat is cooked now. I'll be going in with my dried fish. I'll add my pomo now. I didn't add my pomo initially because the pomo is already cooked, so I don't want it to be too soft. I'll be going in with my crayfish. And then I'll add in more water, just enough for my soup. The quantity of water you use, it depends on how, as in the quantity of your soup. Okay, I'll go in with one seasoning cube because I've already added more water to this. Then I'm just going to stir everything together to properly combine. I'll be adding in my palm oil now. I'll add in my ogiri. I'll be going in with my cocoyam. I'm using cocoyam as my thickener, but you can use any thickener. You can use archer, you can use ofo, you can even use oats. So now I'm just going to add in my blended cocoyam. And then I'm going to stir this. Just going to stir. I will cover the pot now. Allow this to cook until the cocoyam is completely dissolved inside this pot. Okay, and guys, this is what we have. Our cocoyam is dissolved now. So I'm just going to stir this again. So as you can see, our cocoyam is dissolved in the oil or inside the pot. I'll be going in now with my uziza leaf. Guys, if at this point you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay, and like the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you are going to be trying out this recipe. I will add in my oha leaf now. So now I'm going to be adding in my remaining crayfish. Then I'm going to mix everything together. Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Don't forget to like and don't forget to share this video, okay? And always watch my ad, guys. Always watch the ad. So now I'm just going to cover this pot and let this cook for just a minute or two, and we'll come back. And guys, our soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out, and don't forget to give me your feedback when you try this out, okay? And this is what we have. Don't worry, once this soup gets cold, it's going to thicken, okay? Don't be tempted to add in more thickener, but if you are someone that love your soup very thick, then you can add in much thickener, but I don't really like thick soup, okay? So once this soup gets cold, it's going to thick. You are going to see it. So now I'm just going to stir this and we will serve. Our soup is ready. Let me know in the comment section the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. And guys, this is what we have. Our oha soup is ready. This soup came out so delicious. You are going to love it. This is one of my best soup. I don't play with oha soup. And as usual, I'm going to be enjoying it with my fufu. Let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, and do all of that good stuff to this video, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.